Hello everyone and welcome to the ThamesMUN series of Model UN tutorials. We have created this series of videos in order to introduce you all to the world of Model United Nations. Given that the conference is taking place online this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we've altered our video tutorials so you know how to participate in an MUN conference that's taking place online.
Let's start with the most basic question. What is MUN? Model United Nations is an interactive simulation in which students are placed into the roles of official United Nations delegates. Participants will research a country, debate international issues, negotiate, consult, and then develop solutions to real-world problems.
There are many benefits of participating in MUN. First and foremost, it's a great platform to learn public speaking and build your confidence. It teaches you how to conduct systematic research, but also to think and problem solve on your feet. Several of the skills you pick up from MUN are transferable to your CV. It'll help you with college applications and job interviews. And we will be conducting a session on this with some fun activities at the end of the conference.
MUN is an excellent way for you to prove to your future employers that you have been actively developing your soft skills. It is an exercise in research, teamwork, public speaking, and problem solving. These are crucial skills that you will need throughout both your university life and your future career. It is also an opportunity to network and allows you to meet a wide spectrum of talented and driven individuals just like yourselves.